The statement that artificial intelligence could lead to the end of humanity is a viewpoint held by some experts and researchers in the field of AI safety and ethics. While there are differing opinions on the potential risks and impacts of AI, it is important to note that not all experts share.
The concern stems from the possibility of developing highly advanced AI systems that surpass human intelligence and become capable of making decisions and taking actions independently. If such super-intelligent AI systems were to act in ways that are detrimental to humanity's well-being, or if they...
One of the concerns is the concept of an intelligence explosion or technological singularity, where an AI system becomes capable of recursively improving its own capabilities, leading to rapid and exponential growth in intelligence. Some experts worry that if AI systems with such capabilities.
Additionally, concerns are raised regarding the potential for AI systems to be used for malicious purposes or weaponized. The increasing reliance on AI and automation in various critical systems, such as finance, healthcare, and infrastructure, raises concerns about vulnerabilities and potential CAT.
It is important to highlight that these concerns are not shared universally, and there are also experts who hold a more optimistic view of AI's potential. Many researchers and organizations are actively working on developing safe and beneficial AI systems, emphasizing the need for responsible.
It is crucial to continue ongoing research and discussions around AI safety, ethics, and policy to mitigate potential risks and ensure that AI technology is developed and deployed in a manner that aligns with human values and safeguards our well-being.